Good morning, students. Welcome back to our SS session. Today, we will continue our chapter 13 Communication and Transport. In the previous session, we discussed on communication. So, today, we will discuss on transport. Transport is a means for carrying people or goods from one place to another through road, rail, air, or water. Over a period of time, human beings developed different modes of transport. In ancient times, people used animals for transport. With the invention of the wheel, carts were developed to move around. Today, we have faster means of transport available. We use buses, cars, scooters, trains, ships, aeroplanes, and so on to travel from one place to another. Means of transport we mainly use for four different means of transport: roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Roadways. Different types of vehicles that travel on roads are cars, buses, van, motorcycles, scooters, bicycles, rickshaws, and so on. Roadways connect cities, towns, and villages. Roads are well defined structure of land with specially prepared surface on which vehicles can travel. Highways. Highways connects one important place in the state to another. State highways connect important places within a state, and national highways connect major roads of one state to another state. The Grand Trunk Road, built by Sher Shah Suri, is one of the oldest highways in India during the British period. It connected the present day cities of Kolkata, nowadays West Bengal, and Peshawar, nowadays Pakistan, in the post independence India. It connects Amritsar to Kolkata. Next is the Golden Quadrilateral is a highway network that links India's four largest cities, namely Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Railways. India has a very large railway network. From its first train in 1853 from Bombay, now Mumbai, to Thane, the railways in India has grown to become one of the world's largest railways network. There are different kinds of trains such as superfast trains, passenger trains, and goods trains. Superfast train. Superfast train generally have less stoppage and have a maximum speed. Next is passenger train. Passenger train moving at low speed and have more stoppage as compared to the superfast train. Good trains. Good trains, a train for carrying goods rather than people. Metro trains. Metro train is a train that is specifically designed to run in metropolitan cities, while local trains, some cities such as Delhi and Kolkata, also have a modern metro system which consists of network of both underground trains or elevated train. Railway junction. A junction is a place at which two or more railway routes converge or diverge. Waterways. Since olden days, people have used water bodies such as rivers and seas for transport. Ships. Ships are used to transport people and goods by water. This includes both cruise ship. Cruise ship means a large ship that carries people. Cargo or merchant ship. This includes the ships that carry goods are called cargo or merchant ships. Oil tanker. Cargo ships that carry only oil are called oil tanker. Port. Port means an area where ships stop to load goods and passengers on and off. तो बच्चों ये एक बंदरगाह है जहाँ पे गुड्स मतलब चीज़ें, माल सामान और पैसेंजर्स लोगों को उतारा जाता है और चढ़ाया जाता है वहाँ पे जो शिप्स होते हैं उसको वहाँ पे रुकाया जाता है। तो यहाँ इसको कहते हैं पोर्ट। द इम्पॉर्टेंट पोर्ट्स आर मुंबई, विशाखापट्टनम, कोची, चेन्नई and so on. Next is airways. Airways is the fastest mode of travel. In India, there are large airports in almost all important cities. The airport. Airport means a place where aircraft can land and take off and that has buildings for passengers to wait in. तो बच्चों ये एयरपोर्ट मतलब हवाई अड्डा जहाँ पे एरोप्लेन टेक ऑफ करते हैं और वहाँ से उतरते हैं और उड़ान भरते हैं, उसको कहते हैं एयरपोर्ट। और वहाँ पे लोग पैसेंजर्स को रुकने के लिए भी वेटिंग रूम्स होते हैं। ठीक है बच्चों, आगे है द छत्रपति शिवाजी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट in Mumbai is one of the busiest airport in India. Airlines. Airlines are companies that operate aeroplanes. Some of the major airlines are Air India, Jet Airways, Go Air. So students, I hope you understood this topic very well. Thank you.